Greetings, family, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. TM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process, green cards based on asylum, and citizenship based on asylum are answered. Family, I have spent over 12 years navigating the immigration system here in the United States. First, I spent several years battling my asylum case to be approved. Then, I spent several years more to get a green card based on approved asylum. And finally, I spent several years more fighting to obtain United States citizenship based on an approved asylum. I want you to know that I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may face in your asylum journey here in the United States immigration system. The questions you have now are the same questions I used to have on my asylum journey. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand asylum immigration process experience to provide you with insights and guidance to help you. Family, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow. Also, like this video if you find it helpful. Let me know what you think about this episode in the comments below. One question people have asked is about procedures in immigration court. What is a master calendar hearing in immigration court? What should I do to prepare for a master calendar hearing? The Asylum Master Calendar Hearing, MCH, is an initial hearing in immigration court that serves as a procedural step in the asylum process. Here are key aspects of the Asylum Master Calendar Hearing. Purpose. The primary purpose of the Master Calendar Hearing is to determine the basic facts of your case, such as your identity, your legal representation, and your intention to apply for asylum. Notice of rights. During the hearing, the immigration judge will inform you of your rights, including your right to be represented by an attorney, the right to present evidence, and the right to a full and fair hearing. Identification of issues. The judge will identify key issues in your case, such as whether you have legal representation, if you intend to apply for asylum, and any preliminary matters that need to be addressed. Setting the schedule. The judge will set a schedule for future hearings, including deadlines for filing the asylum application and supporting documents. This may include setting a date for the individual merits hearing. Language interpretation. If needed, language interpretation services will be provided during the master calendar hearing to ensure effective communication responding to charges. If you are in removal proceedings, the master calendar hearing is an opportunity for you to respond to the charges against you and state your intent to seek asylum. Applying for asylum. If you haven't already submitted a formal asylum application with supporting documents, the judge may instruct you to do so by a specified deadline. Scheduling next steps. The judge may schedule subsequent hearings, including the individual merits hearing, where you will present your asylum case in more detail. It's important to attend the master calendar hearing, as it sets the groundwork for the rest of the asylum proceedings. If you have legal representation, your attorney will play a crucial role in advising you during this process. If you don't have an attorney, it's highly recommended to seek one to ensure you understand your rights and responsibilities during the asylum proceedings. Another question people asked about what they should do to prepare for a master calendar hearing in immigration court for asylum cases. Preparing for a master calendar hearing, MCH, in immigration court for an asylum case is crucial to setting a positive foundation for your proceedings. Here are some steps to help you prepare. Consult with an immigration attorney. If you haven't already, consult with an experienced immigration attorney. They can guide you through the preparation process, explain the specifics of your case, and advise you on the best strategies. Gather necessary documents. Collect all relevant documents related to your asylum claim. This may include any supporting evidence, affidavits, country condition reports, and other materials that strengthen your case. Complete the asylum application. Ensure that you have completed the asylum application, Form I-589, accurately and truthfully. Attach all required supporting documents and submit them to the immigration court within the specified deadlines. Understand your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights during the asylum process. Understand the procedures, your right to legal representation, and the importance of providing truthful and complete information. Arrive early. Arrive at the immigration court early on the day of the master calendar hearing. This allows you to complete any necessary paperwork and be present for the proceedings. Dress professionally. Dress in a professional manner for the hearing. While there's no strict dress code, appearing neat and respectful can positively impact the perception of the court. Be respectful and courteous. Maintain a respectful and courteous demeanor during the hearing. Follow the instructions of the immigration judge and address them as your honor. Communicate clearly. Be prepared to answer questions from the judge clearly and concisely. If you don't understand a question, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Address preliminary matters. Be prepared to address any preliminary matters, such as your identity, legal representation, and your intention to apply for asylum. Follow-up steps. After the master calendar hearing, follow any instructions given by the judge, including deadlines for submitting additional documents or preparing for the next steps in the asylum process. Family, what I want you to remember is that the master calendar hearing is a procedural step, and the individual merits hearing will provide a more in-depth opportunity to present your asylum case. Following these steps and seeking guidance from an attorney can contribute to a smoother process and help establish a strong foundation for your asylum proceedings. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope the insights shared in this video have enhanced your understanding of the asylum process. Do you have questions about the asylum process? Do you have questions about green cards based on approved asylum? Do you have questions about the citizenship application process based on approved asylum? Or have you recently received asylum and you have advice to share? I encourage you to email me or share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more answers to your questions about the asylum process. Thank you for watching, family.